I bought a ring light. It's a tripod ring light. So I am officially a YouTuber. There's just a lot going on right now, and I've been seriously neglecting my space. My room is so disgusting, and I'm going to show it to you guys. I'm going to embarrass myself. Like, I'm gonna show you guys my room, and you're gonna go, bitch, what the fuck is going on in your brain? Like, what is your mental state like?
I'll tell you how I'm doing. Not well, bitch.
And look, a bitch is running on empty, you feel me? So, I thought it'd be really cool for me to just clean my room, do a little time-lapse room thing. Ooh, okay, hold up. I don't know which one I like yet. But yeah, so I'm gonna turn, oh my god, I'm so embarrassed for you guys to see this. Like, it's literally so bad. It's disgusting. But you know what? I gotta live my truth. I've always wanted to be a raw and real YouTuber, you know? I'm not a YouTuber, don't call me that. Don't call me Gaga. Okay, so my room is disgusting, you guys. Like, oh my god. Okay, so you still can't see how bad and disgusting it is like that. There you go. That's my room. Yup. There's a tray down there. Yup. I know. I know it looks like hoarders. I know. There's that side. I know. I am ashamed. We're gonna do something about it. I feel like if I turn on some... Oh, shit. See, that's the other thing. I'm always tripping in here. I feel like if I turn on some Chloe and Haley and just get cleaning and, you know, promote some good energy, light some incense. I have my mom's holy oil up in here somewhere. Yikes. Okay, so this is my disgusting room. How I'm gonna do this, and this is how I always clean my room. I start with clothes and fabric things first, because truth be told, once you pick up all your dirty clothes and you put away the clean ones, the room is actually not that messy. So I've lit my incense up in here. I'm gonna put this down, and I'm gonna get started with cleaning all of this up. I have 2 beds in my room because my house is set up to be like rented. So there was a point where I had a roommate in here, but this has been my room almost for like a year now, like just my room, truth be told. So this needs to get cleaned because I've just been coming home to just this disgustingness. And this is, look at this. This isn't good. This is not good. Like, damn, Ma, you really living like this? Yes. Spotlight by Just Swear. Stream it. It's good. I just discovered it on Spotify Radio. So, I'm still obviously not done, but I can see the carpet on my floor, which is not something I was able to say a few 37 something minutes ago. So that's pretty sickening. I'm almost done here. Once this is done, then I'm gonna move on to this part right here. And then there's like so much mess that you guys can't even see by the door. My hair is literally just, oh, okay. So today what I really want to do is I don't want to take down all of my Halloween decorations. There's no fucking way. But I do want to clean it up and organize it. And I want to add some more stuff to the wall. But yeah, so this is what I have done so far. I'm feeling pretty good about it. And let's just keep it going. I've been talking to my therapist about self-care, and one of the really cool things that she like made me realize, like her and my caseworker, is that self-care doesn't have to be like spending money, you know, going to the spa. It could be like anything. So anything that you enjoy or anything that calms you down, that's like self-care. So for me, learning more French, practicing my French, speaking French, being able to listen to it and, you know, get a better understanding and become more and more fluent, that calms me down. So I told her that after the election, I was going to try to do like a page a day. So I just found the book, and so I'm going to start I found this book and that made me feel really happy. But as you guys can see, my room looks so much better. All that I have left to do is clear this out, and then I want to organize like my nightstand that's next to me because it's really messy. And then you know that tray that was in here, I want to organize that tray as well. And then this is all the stuff that I had left at my mom's house. At one point, like everything I owned was inside of here. And so I'm not even gonna bother going through that today. I'm just not doing that. I've done a lot today already, but I did just want to put it in my room and whatnot. And I think I'm just gonna use that to keep my bags on top. You know how like you have a table or like a tray or something in your room and it starts off being like just, oh, I'm gonna put this here, and then eventually like weeks pass and it just kind of becomes like your nightstand kind of thing. So I have a really bad habit of doing that, so I really just want to make sure that I just keep like my bags on top of there. I don't want to keep a lot of stuff in there, on top of there, excuse me, because I want to be able to open it and access it fairly quickly. But anyways, I just want to get this shit done, and then I'm gonna vacuum in here. I love vacuuming. It's like, does anyone else in this household love vacuuming? I love the sound that the vacuum makes when it picks up everything. It's like super satisfying to me. I don't know. Whew, y'all, I'm sweaty. So I am pretty much done in here. All that I really want to do now is, I think I am going to tackle this wall, but I don't think I'm going to film it. Just how my brain works. Like, I'm someone that will put something up, not like it, and then take it all down, vice versa. And I just feel like it would be kind of a crappy video. I don't know. So yeah, that's the last thing I really want to do in here, and then I'm gonna bring that tray back in here. And I realized most of the stuff on that tray is trash, so I don't think I'm going to show you guys me cleaning that off either. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick, super duper quick ass video. And I just wanted to say thank you guys for the love and support that you guys have shown me through Vlogoween. That was such a fun experience for me. I can't wait to do it again next year. So just thank you guys for that. And I also want to say, woohoo, we are officially over 2K subscribers, which I can't believe. That is fucking insanity to me. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching my content and for interacting, commenting, DMing me, letting me know that you like my content. That just like, that blows me away. You know what I mean? I don't know. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna get going. I am sweaty. I have been cleaning for like 4 hours. Well, like three hours. But I'm really happy that my room is clean. I feel so much better. I'm really happy that I was able to do this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz. And I will see you in the next one. Alrighty, y'all. Bye.